Alright, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a side mirror on your M365 scooter or any scooter that you have. Alright, welcome back to my scooter channel. Sorry, medyo matagal bago ako nag-post ulit. But today, I'm going to show you how to put a side mirror on your scooter. Please don't forget to subscribe. Today's episode, or for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put a side mirror on your M365 Scooter Pro or any scooter that you have. So this one, I got this side mirror from the Philippines. My friend who went for vacation bought this online. I think she bought it from Lazada. You just have to type in bike side mirror. So this is very easy to install. So in my case, this is my scooter. Sorry. So this is my scooter. Usually they put this side mirror here, dito sa side handlebar. Pero ayoko siya dito kasi parang awkward lang. Pagka hinawakan, maliit kasi itong handlebar ng scooter. So, I want it to be not here because I don't have much space to hold it when I'm driving. So, I wanted to put it here. So, what I did, I bought this one. Extension or handlebar extension. This one. You can just search bike handlebar extension. You can put your extra lights here or anything, horn, whatever you have. And I will put my side mirror. This is the one. I'm going to put my side mirror here. So where did I buy this extension bar? I just bought it from Amazon. I will send you the link below. I will give you the link for this handlebar. Okay, so let's install it. This is actually worth 86 pesos only. It's very cheap. This is the cheapest side mirror, and I can't find this one here in UAE. So when someone went for vacation, we ordered this and let them bring it here. It's cheaper. It's like 8 dirham, 10 dirham. So this is how you put it. You just have to put it here. And may mga sizes naman. So just put it like that. The other one, like that. Alright, it's very easy to install. And it's very cheap and safe. You can adjust it like this and like that. So, this is very useful for me kasi pag nagsa-scooter ako, ayan, scooter. Siyempre, nananalamin na rin ako. Tinitignan ko kung maayos pa ba yung helmet ko or what. And siyempre, useful din para makita mo kung may parating na ibang bicycle sa sidewalk or something. So, this is very nice. I will recommend that you put this one for your safety, for your convenience, and para sa mga girly scooter rider, you can use this para tignan mo kung meron pang lipstick or whatever. So this is what you only need: extension bar and side mirror. If you don't have extension bar, not a problem. You can put it here sa may handlebar. No problem. Alright, this is it for today. Thank you for watching my short video about side mirror for your scooter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the ring button for more videos. Goodbye!